Okay, so something happened to my camera for some reason. I don't know what this camera is doing, but I don't know what part you guys caught last. I just put cling wrap over the chicken and put it in the fridge for it to marinate, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the roti. You guys have probably seen the roti on my channel here before, so I'm just gonna skip past this one. Okay, let's see if this is gonna work. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the vlog. I don't know what happened with my camera, but it did not get my intro, it did not get any of the other stuff, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I did before this, before I started making the roti. Just as well, I had these on time lapse on my phone because oh my gosh guys, I mean, it's a first cooking vlog of the year and it's a hot mess. But anyway, we move. So yeah, I basically followed the recipe that I'll leave down below in my description bar, and I marinated the chicken and I used coconut milk instead of yogurt because we're trying to go dairy free. And as you guys can see in this video, I am doing the roti. I didn't want to record this because I already have a roti making video on my channel. I'll leave it up in the cards or maybe in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, let's hop back into the video. I think at some point I cut onions and I got all the spices together, but if you guys are struggling to follow this recipe, definitely read up on the recipe that I will link down below. I followed it to the T. I maybe added a little bit more nuts than I needed to, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Okay, my previous memory card was just doing some other things. Luckily you guys didn't miss much. But shout out to all the people who've been saying they want to see more of my cooking content. Here we are, doing more cooking content. I'm going to put these to caramelize. Korma sauce. Ooh, nice. Okay, so let's put this pot back on the stove. Yes, I did get a few oil splotches from trying to blend this thing with the stick blender, but we just put some baby powder on it before we put it in the wash tonight and problem solved. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a little more oil, and then they want us to put another cardamom pod in. Yeah, 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves. Do you even use cloves? Probably do. leaf. Also needs no. You can have a look at the recipe. That is easier. I need a bay leaf, but that's in the cupboard, so I'm gonna go over and get that. I'm gonna put another one in because hello. We're gonna let this saute for a minute, and then it says you can add a split green chili. I feel like no. Do I split it? No, I'm just not gonna split it. And then it says add the marinated chicken. For about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, I think we can add our sauce. I'm also going to put some water in here to cook it. Coriander powder. All that's left to do is just taste for salt, and once it's done, if the korma is too thick, add some hot water to bring to a consistency and sprinkle with some coriander. Okay, that's pretty much it, you guys. Simple, easy recipe. I will link this for you guys, and it's already smelling delish. Anyway, I'm gonna go clean the kitchen here. Okay everyone, this is the finished chicken korma. It's a bit yellowy because I put a bit too much of turmeric, but I tasted it. It tastes good so far. Yeah, I'll know for future reference not to put so much of turmeric in the next time if I want it to be more white and less yellow, but it tastes good. I haven't made chicken korma by myself for the first time. Well, I haven't made chicken korma before by myself, so guess we shall see when we're all eating at supper time, because the time right now is about 3 and we're probably gonna have supper around 5. So yeah, the flavors are gonna have time to settle and permeate and all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, this cooking vlog. Oh, my back is killing me. I'm getting old, guys. That's the vibe at this point. So yeah, that is it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.